Hi, I'm April with WTI.
Are you looking for the softest, warmest wearable blanket to keep you cozy under the most frigid temperatures? This blanket by Dreamighty is positively the best wearable blanket I have found. This blanket is not only beautiful in the fact that its color is so vibrant and the fabric is so soft, but it's also very functional. This material is lightweight, which makes it easy to move in without compromising on great quality. As someone who needs to remind themselves to slow down and enjoy some cuddle time, this is the perfect blanket to throw at me. I love these pockets on the inside that allows my arms to hang on to this blanket. It moves with me wherever I want to go, whether I need to be working or relaxing. I know that this blanket is going to stay on me and be so comfortable. This would be a wonderful gift to anyone or even a special little treat for yourself. So consider Dreamighty for your next wearable blanket.
And that's my point of view.